Hello everybody. Greetings from the German Society of Infectious Diseases. I'm Bernd Salzberger, the current president of DGI, and I will introduce you to a number of our colleagues who are really active in shaping the future of infectious diseases in Germany. This is Janne Bischoff from the University of Bonn, who's spokesperson for the Young Infectious Disease Fellows. Then Janne Vehreschild, he's spokesman for our working group for digitalization. Rupp, he is spokesman for the working group of better reimbursement for infectious disease services. And last not least, Christoph Lübbert, he's the president of the upcoming Congress for Infectious Diseases and Tropical Medicine in Leipzig, Germany. And he will invite you to our meeting. And I hope you get a good overview of our society, and I all wish you a very good conference.
Hi, my name is Janne Bischoff and I'm the spokesperson for the young members of the German Society of Infectious Diseases, as well as the national representative of TAE of ECCMID. My colleagues and I are committed to improve the training in infectious diseases in Germany and to support the next generation of ID specialists. To this end, we organized virtual training events, a mentoring program, and a doctoral exchange platform. We also work on ideas to improve the compatibility of family and a career as research fellow or clinician. Everybody who would like to join us is very welcome. Just contact us and together we can shape the future and have lots of fun in the process. We look forward to meet you in Copenhagen.
Hello, dear colleagues, and thank you for watching. My name is Janne Vehreschild, and I am head of the Digitization Working Party at the German Society for Infectious Diseases. In our working party, we try to support colleagues in all questions regarding chances and risks of digitized healthcare. And we also work towards a better standardization and fair sharing of data and knowledge in the field of infectious diseases. We also keep a watchful eye on the interests of patients and physicians to make sure that novel tools and workflows are transparent, quality assured, and effective in improving patient outcomes. As one of the key projects in our working party, we created Infektiologie, which is a free online knowledge base for the treatment of the most common infections in hospitalized patients. And more than 100 authors from all over Germany contributed their expertise to this open source and open license work that is now available to physicians, nurses, and patients alike. And we'd be very happy to bring Infektiologie to your country. So if you're interested in collaborating with us, then we'd be very happy if you'd contact us. And with that, I give back to my colleagues at the DGI and hope to see you on ECCMID.
Having now implemented the medical specialist in internal medicine and infectious diseases in Germany, we now have the unique opportunity to build up and further develop already existing divisions and departments of infectious diseases. Being sheltered by huge departments of different specializations, so far this endeavor, however, is challenged by the requirement to set up a solid and also financially attractive model for treating patients in hospitals, but also in an outpatient setting. Diagnosis-related groups are still the basis of the German reimbursement of cost structure and comprise several disadvantages for conservative specialists that cannot possess diagnostic and/or therapeutic processes that increase refunds for individual patients. In contrast, prolonged durations of antibiotic therapies, but also intensive assessments of differential diagnosis and so forth, are particularly scanty financially represented in the current financing system. However, with its interdisciplinary approach and the strong scientific background, the German Society of Infectious Diseases is optimistic that more and more clinics with an infectious disease focus will be set up and will fundamentally assist respective efforts at the different sites.
On behalf of the German Society of Infectious Diseases and the co-organizing infectious medicine societies in Germany, I cordially invite you in my capacity as Kongresspräsident to the 16th Congress on Infectious Diseases and Tropical Medicine, the KIT 2023 in Leipzig from 14th to 17th June 2023. This is the first KIT Congress in presence since the year 2018. A lot has happened in the meantime. We all had to learn how to deal with the pandemic. And as a result, infectious medicine has been in the public eye for more than it has been for a long time. The modern Congress Hall at the Leipzig Zoo is a fantastic place to meet and to exchange the latest in interdisciplinary infection medicine. We look forward to your visit to the City of Science, Leipzig in June 2023 and your active Congress participation. You are mostly welcome.